Hi guys, in the previous tutorial we learned how to return XML data as response from a web service. In this tutorial we will learn how to do the similar thing which is return response for JSON data. So we have this file which we created in the previous tutorial. So we will copy this file just to save time and we will modify as per JSON. So I'll copy this and I'll paste it and I will name it as REST JSON response service. Now let's open this file. So the first option is to just change the media type and I'll change the name of the service. I'll save it. We'll just compile that. Now I will start the server. Okay, so server is started. Now we'll go to Postman and submit the request. It is a GET request, so I'll just change the previous one and send it. Okay, so the problem is in the accept header I have given application XML. So I'll just say JSON. So as you can see, it has returned the JSON data. So let's remove this accept header and see what happens now. I'll again say send and now again returns the JSON data. So there are a couple of things which I want to show in this tutorial. So what I will do is I'll remove this produces annotation and now let's see what happens, because I'm just saying response.ok and send the response. Okay, so let's see. I've not told it like what to send, neither XML nor JSON. So let's see what happens. So let's just to be safe, what I'll do is I will restart the server. Okay, it started. So let's send it again. So it's still returning the JSON data. So the JSON is taking the preference. That is why it is sending. Now there was one more option. If you might have remembered that that response.ok takes one more parameter, which is the media type. So media type dot application underscore XML. So this can also be, this is another way to ensure what kind of data goes back. So now again I will clean this project, save it, and once the build is done, now I will restart. So it's restarted. Now I will try to send the request and now you see it is returning XML data because I mentioned it as XML. So friends, what we learned in this tutorial is few things, like you can get a JSON object very simply by saying the produces annotation on the top of the method. That is number one. If there is no media type mentioned in the it produces annotation, then it returns JSON data which takes preference. Thirdly, we learned that you can also send the response from the parameter of the OK method, not I mean sorry, the media type from the second parameter of the OK method, so that you can decide what kind of data you should send back to the client. So I hope this was useful to you, and you will try it on your own now. And in case you have liked it and found it useful, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. So hope to see you soon with some more videos on REST services and many other topics.